Do you ever dream of lounging on a tropical beach while the money just keeps rolling in? Well, it's time to transform dreams into reality. We're exploring the intriguing realm of passive income today. Envision generating a monthly income of $27,000 without any physical effort. Stay with us as we're about to unfold 9 verified passive income ideas that can convert your dreams into reality. Greetings, I am Miss Rose, your UPL virtual assistant. Welcome to UPL Teaching and Training Academy, expressing gratitude to all our subscribers and those becoming a part of our family today. Blessings to all. Let's dive deep into this enlightening training now. Leading off, an oldie but a goodie, real estate investment. Those who are new to the investing world might assume that this method of creating wealth is only for the affluent, those who already have a significant amount of capital. But in the modern age, you certainly don't have to be a millionaire to plunge into estate investing. The game has completely changed, and the playing field has been leveled. Thanks to the emergence of crowdfunding platforms, the door has been opened wide for average individuals to start investing in properties. These platforms are enabling you to invest with as little as a few $100s, which was unthinkable a few decades ago. Imagine you take this opportunity and invest in a promising property, perhaps a beautiful apartment in an up-and-coming area. You decide to rent it out, which is a fantastic way to generate passive income. And just like that, without so much as lifting a finger or breaking a sweat, you have a steady stream of income flowing into your bank account. But what if you're not into the property game? Have you ever contemplated tapping into your unique knowledge and skills to create something timeless, beneficial? The world of ebook authorship might be the perfect fit for you. With digital technology at its peak, becoming an ebook author is like embarking on an exciting journey where you write once and reap the benefits forever. Imagine it as having your own personal goose that consistently lays the gold of royalties. Whether you're an enthusiastic expert in the art of gardening, a seasoned veteran in woodworking, or a passionate in any other field, the world is filled with curious minds. There are individuals out there, eager and waiting, ravenous for your wisdom and expertise. The potential audience is vast, diversified, and always on the lookout for new knowledge. So whether you're a guru in gardening or a whiz in woodworking, there's an audience out there hungry for your knowledge. Third on our list is affiliate marketing. This phenomenal marketing arena opens the doorway to endless opportunities for those willing to innovate. First step on this rewarding journey is to set up a platform. This could be a blog, resonating with your thoughts and ideas, a vibrant YouTube channel filled with rich media content, or even a minimalistic website showcasing hand-picked products in a visually appealing manner. The next phase is all about promotion. Boost the visibility of your platform or the products you're endorsing with smart SEO tactics and engaging content. Your efforts should drive people to click on the products with an intent to purchase. Every transaction made your unique referral link earns you a handsome commission. Think of it as being a silent partner in a thriving and flourishing business. It's like being a silent partner in a thriving business. Next up, we've got peer-to-peer lending. In an ever-changing financial landscape, this concept has emerged as a formidable alternative to traditional banking. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P, as it's commonly referred to, is a simple yet revolutionary concept. Think of it as stepping into the shoes of a bank. You, as an individual, assume the role of a financier, extending loans to other individuals or fledgling businesses who are in need of financial assistance. By lending your money, you aren't just aiding someone in need, you're also making an investment. It's all about the interest. The incentive here is a competitive return on your investment, garnered in the form of interest that the borrower pays back to you over time. This is an innovative way to diversify your investment portfolio while directly contributing to the growth of small businesses and individuals. So, You're not just playing the role of a bank, you're also contributing to the economy in a significant way. And that's the beauty of P2P lending. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's move on to the fifth passive income idea, creating an online course. This idea is especially appealing for those who have a unique skill or a wealth of knowledge that they believe others would benefit from. It could be anything from cooking to coding, gardening to graphic design. The potential topics are endless, limited only by your own knowledge and experience. You have the capability to design a course that is engaging and informative, one that truly captures the essence of your expertise. Once you have created this course, you can then sell it online. One of the many pros of this passive income idea is that the course only needs to be created once. After the initial effort and time investment, you can then continue to sell and profit from your course indefinitely. This means that you have the potential for a steady stream of income without any additional work. Create the course once, sell it indefinitely. Coming in at number 6 is stock market investment. A world of numbers, graphs, and ongoing fluctuations. A world that breathes life every time the bell rings on Wall Street. It is an arena that can seem daunting at first glance. With its towering highs and unfathomable lows, the stock market is not for the faint-hearted. It's a place of both risk and reward, where your fortunes could shift in seconds. Yet this is also a world of potential, a world where money can multiply exponentially. It is not just a place for the rich or the experienced. It is a place for everyone, from the young college student looking to start building wealth, to the retired pensioner looking to supplement their income. It's a world that revolves around the concept of investment, where every dollar you put in has the potential to grow, to burgeon, and ultimately to flourish. However, like any high-stakes game, it requires a well-thought-out strategy. You can't just throw your money in and hope for the best. It requires research, market analysis, trend prediction, and above all, patience. The key is to have a diversified portfolio, to spread your investments so your risks are balanced. Indeed, with proper knowledge and understanding, stock market investment is not just about playing the game, it's about mastering it. It's about transforming your hard-earned money into an income-generating asset. It's about planning for the future and securing your financial freedom. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Rather, it's a long-term investment strategy that, with time and discipline, can yield significant returns. Yes, it can be risky, but with proper knowledge and a diversified portfolio, it can turn into a goldmine. Next, we have dropshipping. This is an innovative approach to e-commerce that has taken the industry by storm. Here's what happens. You set up an online store. This store could be a website, an app, or even a social media page, depending on your target market. You offer a wide range of products, anything from clothes to gadgets, homeware to hobby items. The selection can be as diverse as you want, offering a great deal of flexibility. But now, here comes the interesting part. Despite running a fully functional online store, you don't have any inventory. There's no warehouse filled with boxes. No need to worry about storage space or inventory management. That's because in dropshipping, you're not the one directly selling the products. Instead, you act as a crucial link, a sort of bridge between the customer and the supplier. When a customer places an order on your site, you forward that order to your supplier. The supplier then ships the product directly to the customer, removing the need for you to handle any physical stock. This way, you can focus on marketing and customer service, while your supplier handles all the logistics. It's a unique e-commerce model that allows for low overhead costs and a streamlined operation. You simply act as a middleman between the customer and the supplier. Number 8 is all about creating a mobile app. This exciting world of technology and innovation is waiting to be explored by creative minds like you. Have you ever found yourself thinking, there should be an app for that? Well, now is the perfect time to bring that thought to fruition. Got a brilliant idea for an app? Start by jotting down your idea on paper. Consider what problem your app is going to solve, who your target audience is, and how your app is different from others. Then start planning your app. From its design to its functionalities to its operations. Sketch out your app's user interface, plan your app's navigation, and create a roadmap for app development. After that, it's time to develop. You don't have to be a programming genius to create your own app. There are plenty of online resources and tools that can help you develop your app, even if you are a beginner. Also, don't feel you have to do it alone. Collaborate with like-minded individuals or hire professionals who who can help turn your idea into reality. Once you've developed your app, test it. Make sure it runs smoothly and efficiently. Feedback is a goldmine. Use it to improve, tweak, and perfect your app. The next step is to launch it. Publicize your app, market it to your target audience, and make sure it gets the attention it deserves. Remember, the more visible your app is, the more likely it is to be downloaded. Finally, sit back and watch as your hard work pays off. Every time someone downloads your app, you earn. The world of creating a mobile app is truly a world of opportunity. It's a chance to make your mark, to create something unique, and to earn from your creativity. Yes, the process may be challenging, but the rewards are incomparable. So, what are you waiting for? Develop it, launch it, and earn every time someone downloads it. Last, but by no means least, is renting out a room in your house. This is a concept that has proven fruitful for many. You may not have considered it before, but if you have a spare room in your house, why let it gather dust? This room, which might currently be nothing more than a storage space for forgotten objects, could be your ticket to an extra income. Think about it. That area within your residence can serve as a comfortable and cozy space for travelers, students, or anyone in need of temporary lodging. Platforms such as Airbnb have truly revolutionized the way we perceive the use of our domestic spaces. They provide a simple, user-friendly interface where homeowners can list their rooms, set prices, and interact with potential renters. This isn't just about making money, it's about utilizing resources, maximizing your property's potential, and offering a valuable service to those in need. It's a great way to meet interesting people from all walks of life, not just a visitor, but a story, a culture, a perspective. They all come to you. Renting out a room may require a bit of work initially, such as cleaning up the room, making it presentable, and setting up your listing online. But once set, it becomes an effective way to earn passive income. Just imagine, with every passing sunset, you could be making money, all from a space that was otherwise underutilized. It's a simple and effective way to earn passive income. And there you have it, folks. We've just presented you with no less than 9 passive income ideas that might just put an extra 27 grand in your bank account every month. Now, let's take a moment to reflect. Passive income isn't something that just magically appears. It requires time, patience, and of resilience. It's an interesting journey, much like that of 1,000 miles. And as the famous proverb goes, this journey of 1,000 miles indeed begins with a simple single step. So what are you waiting for? It's time to embrace the challenge and make strides towards achieving your financial goals. Take that step today and start constructing your very own empire of passive income. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and drop your comments, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.